Hi, I'm Jocelyn.
And I'm Chloe. And we know that you probably have a lot of questions about what exactly you're bringing to Macalester, so we're going to show you a room.
Come on in. So the first thing to remember to bring is your bedding. I also like to bring my different stuffed animals. This is my octopus here. Just really anything that just reminds you of home or just makes your room feel more like yours.
I also like to bring a ton of pillows so that if you ever want to move from your desk to a bed steady position, Zoom style, you can lean back on all of your bedding, all of your pillows. Another essential is cold weather clothing. I'm from Texas, so I did not have very much of this, but there are a lot of options to get it on campus. So don't bust your budget trying to buy a coat if you don't have one. Check out what we have on campus, but if you do have one, bring it.
I personally am a big fan of the parka style coat. So you put it on and it goes all the way down to your knees, because I'm from Indiana, so it wasn't quite this cold growing up, but your legs will get cold, so this is really clutch.
So let's talk food.
For me personally, I am a huge fan of coffee and tea, but I'm also really cheap, so I've been trying to make more of them myself. So I use my hot water heater and I pour my water into my teacup, and then I like to make some whipped cream with this frother I have here. It's amazing. So I just put the heavy whipping cream in there and whip it up for a few minutes, and there you go. It's just like if I were to go get it from a coffee shop. But
as far as making food, Jocelyn also brought a waffle maker from home. A really small one. And we used to have waffle mornings at the beginning, and it's so nice. It takes up very, very little space. You can whip up some batter in a little bowl that you bring. Another thing is, if you have a microwave, leave that thing at home.
You don't even have to worry. We have microwaves in all the lounges, in the kitchens we have. So there's always going to be a microwave when you want to pop some popcorn at 10 p.m. Another thing that is super helpful is to get a mini fridge. We usually recommend talking to your roommate beforehand because you don't really need 2 mini fridges. So a lot of roommates will just share, which has been really helpful.
There's a lot of Facebook groups that have free items that you can go get. Follow those. I still use them all the time. Don't forget to bring your basics. I brought my laundry basket. We also have flip-flops for when you go to the shower. Bring your towel, and I really like to have a shower caddy. This is a good one to carry all of your stuff with you, your soaps, your shampoos, and then you can take it back with you when you're done.
And then of course, also bring any prescription drugs you might need, but just know that anything else you need, there's multiple pharmacies within a really short distance, so you'll be able to get whatever you need here as well. So next I want to show you all a couple of my favorite things in my room. First, here I have this money tree that my mom gave me. Surprisingly, I've kept it alive for 2 years now, which is pretty cool. And then a second thing that I find really helpful is I have this white noise machine. And so I listen to ocean sounds as I'm going to bed, which really calms me down and just helps me to get a good night's sleep.
One thing I love about my room is that it's while I love studying in the library, you're always going to run into friends and it's going to be really tempting to talk to them. So if you want to relaxing, calm you time, the room is the place to study. And so I like to decorate it really nice with things that I love. So I'll have my lamp so I can do some night reading or just brighten things up. And I also brought a painting with me back. I used to live in Morocco, so I brought this back with me for memories and, to make my room personal.
In addition to my lamp, I also like to have these little lights on my wall. It just really sets a nice ambiance in my dorm and makes it a place that I just really like to hang out. And the important thing to know is that you should just bring whatever makes you most comfortable here.
Yeah, you're gonna end up having 4 years to accumulate new things and just make your room your own.